What will they say in England when the story it is told of Rangiriri's bloody fight and the deeds of the brave and bold? 'Tis there the rebels made a stand, resolved their lives to sell. Charge after charge of fellows made, and numbers of them fell. First dashed the gallant 65th, in vain they fought though well. Then leading the artillery, the noble Mercer fell. And then the rebels had a chance to fire upon poor Jack, and though they fought like lions loose, they too were driven back. On Friday 'twas the fight commenced, late in the afternoon. Soon Rangiriri's silent hills flung back the cannon's boom. Right bravely fought our gallant troops, each did their duty well. Before the morrow's sun could rise, to Rangiriri fell. 200 men for quarter cried, and soon laid down their arms. For fighting in the open field for rebels hath no charms. We lost some noble officers, likewise some comrades dear, and thousands followed to their graves and dropped a pitying tear. All honor to the brave, say I, to those who fought and bled. Let's join in praise of those who live and sorrow for the dead. Yet while we join with one accord to raise the song of joy, let's not forget the soldier's wife nor the soldier's orphan boy.